Okay, 2018 Jaguar. You see it? You see the tiger? You see the panther? Whatever it is. 2018 Jaguar XE. Feel me? I'm gonna show you how to replace the rear pads real quick. Alright. Grab the 19 with this guy. But still regular speed, you know what I mean? Grab your wheel lock. Alright. Ooh. Da-na-na-na. Now, see, it's almost there. I hate this guy right here. There's one over here. There's one over here. Okay, there's one right here. Okay. Looks like it's gonna be Allen. Pop this. Before you play with this, you have to deactivate the brake pads with the computer. You know what I'm saying, if you wanna see how to do that, check my other video. I'm gonna put it in the link up there. Okay, that's pretty much it. Let's get it. Cause you know what, it has a computer here, and you wanna deactivate it so you can push the piston and successfully get the job done. Yeah, I mean. Vroom. Now on this side it has the sensor. It goes right there, you see it? Like this. All you're gonna do is wiggle it out. Like that, okay? Because you still can use it, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna use a 7 Allen. Get this guy loose. Keep this one too. Careful with this. Pry it out. Like this kid is gonna have to spin, so the pads, I'm gonna leave it there for now. Oh, good. That's pretty much it. Spray some of this. So when you brush it, you don't breathe the debris. You know what I'm saying? Debris. This is a brake pad set. I don't know which one is the number. Part number LRO61385. That start. Hopefully this is it. Yep, it's like it. Feel me? Right there. Right there. Push this back. You want to put some don't forget this, guys. Now, this is what I had to go to release the pressure in the piston so I can push it back manually. I'm gonna press this one because this one says parking brake pad replacement exit maintenance mode. You have to press this one when you wanna release the pressure. It says parking brake pad replacement. That's what we're gonna do, or that's what we did. Release to service position. Okay, you press this one to release the pressure so you can push the piston manually. Now this one is to once you got the job done, you press this one, parking brake pad replacement exit maintenance mode. Parking brake pad replacement exit maintenance mode. This must be run after the function below. Parking brake pad replacement release to service position. Running this function will enable parking brake operation via the parking brake switch. First, okay. Ensure that the action below has been taken. Shock wheels. Ensure that the vehicle cannot roll backward or forward. Okay. The current vehicle battery voltage is too low. Measure vehicle battery voltage equal to 11.7. Required vehicle battery voltage is 12. Just press OK. Start engine. When you step on the brake pedal, it's gonna be soft, and then it's gonna get hard though. Okay. Now we're gonna start the engine because this is start engine. Okay, it's running now. Now we press OK. Establishing vehicle communication. Exiting maintenance mode. 25 seconds. Please wait. Hopefully you can see this, or you're watching this. Establishing vehicle communication. Model initiation. Please wait 5 seconds. Establishing vehicle communication. The operation was successful. Press OK. So we did good. We did great. This is how you replace the brake pads. And might as well, I want to say the rotor too. The rotor too. In this 2018 Jaguar XE. Holla at your boy. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that, destroy that subscribe button. Like this video, share this video, and the feedback put in the comment box for me. You know the vibes. And shout outs to my subscribers. Alright, holla at your boy. I see you in the next one. That's pretty much it for now. I'm out.